jump up to like $1.5 million or so, because now it's compliant and they aren't going to take
all for $250.
Yeah, it's $250.
Man, that's a crazy. That's a Bitcoin.
They made a request.
Yeah.
And I'm like, hell yeah, I want to play this game.
Yeah.
I don't know property.
You're
not allowed to put.
Yeah. Yeah.
Already stopped me.
Yeah.
We applied for our license. I qualify in his state. I don't qualify in my.
Wow.
I make too much for my area and all that stuff.
Oh, so you don't. Yeah.
Illinois, he's okay. And Missouri, because he's a veteran and arrested, so he was qualified in Missouri. He was qualified in Minnesota, got into the lottery in Minnesota, but then they screwed everything up in Minnesota through the application process.
Wow.
I tell you, we can go on. And so that was what I think is the most lucrative license in 2025, if you can get it.
Yeah.
It exists in California, a couple other states. That's really it. But man, I wanted to thank you for coming on the podcast.
Nah, I appreciate you, man. I hope we can continue to build this relationship, continue to create content, because I think what we can do together, what all of us can do together, can provide a lot of value to those who are looking to get into the industry that I don't see. I see people at these conventions, doing these handshakes, wearing all these suits, but what are you actually doing, in order to further, in order to get that free game out to the people that are on the sidelines? I don't see that too much. It's about you, me, like, that are actually, like, not just smoking weed on camera, that are actually giving practical business advice. It's you, like, let's keep it real. It's you, me, I'm way smaller than you. It's me. I don't really see too many other people. It's people, clapping, oh, I won my license, but, like, how did you win that license? The people want to understand, luck, and then what are you going to do once you get that license, and once you, like, people aren't documenting that. So that's what I want to do in this industry. If, I want to continue documenting my story. I want to continue giving out free game, free strategies, free knowledge, free experience, my experience out to those who are looking for it.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
If that's the type of content you like, consider subscribing to the channel and give us a like. And
Okay,
tune into our
Alexis, good
podcast
to
on
see you.
Sundays.
How you
See you
doing?
next time.
Hopefully you and yours also have a great Christmas too.
Let's discuss my payment. That time is past. No 5,000 for you. The price is 50. How about your payment is you get to leave? Not enough. How you think you can negotiate with me? I say the word, my nephew just go to a certain motel, pay a visit to your daughter-in-law and your little granddaughter. What do you think happens then? Consider your position carefully. I get my money, or neither of us walk out of here. You willing to die for this?
He over here trying to stall out Hector Salamanca.
Maybe I need the 50,000 more than you do.
He said, yeah, Hector, I got all beef. I don't know what that's trying to show, but y'all already know. I already told y'all we got to get it in today, so shout out to getting it in. Yeah, we've executed phase one. Now it's time to take off the robe. Get up off that ass, as we say. Because y'all already know I got to get these plants ready to go, because hell, I got plenty of seeds, and Triple B's the type of person, before I know, I'll have another pack. Like, you ain't already through with them? What the fuck? Yeah, you can't be slow